Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another motivational cleaning video for you guys. In this video we are going to straighten up my living room as well as my dining room. My dining room table has become like a catch-all for everything, so it's just like a disaster right now, so we're going to clear that off. There's a lot of fish tank stuff, just testing water levels, like that kit and stuff like that's on the table, so we're going to get all this stuff cleaned up. So I've got this little vintage green bowl on my table in the living room, and this is where they put all the Nerf gun bullets so that they don't get lost everywhere. So I absolutely love to light candles either while I'm cleaning or whenever I'm finished cleaning. The candles I'm lighting right now, they're beeswax candles. I recently stopped using like the normal regular candles and started using beeswax. They're non-toxic, so that's kind of what I try to go for. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.